Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to talk about checking your tax refund, and if you haven't received it, what I recommend you do. So let me get the video going here. If you filed your taxes and haven't received your refund, you can check the status of that online. I recommend just doing a Google search and you'll find links to that refund status check online. You can't check the status of previous years though. You can only check the status of the current year tax refund. So you can't go back another year, 2 or 3 years back. That's something where you're going to want to make a phone call since you can't check it online. If you have an amended tax return, you can't check the status of that either. So in the current, even if it's the current year, if you send in an amended return, the status of that refund won't be shown online. Through the video here, at any point, if you want to check it out, I recommend looking at our online tax estimator. It's a free calculator. It's going to show you what your refund should be, and you put in all your information. It's super easy, and then you can get a quick estimate of your tax refund. Like I said, there are many reasons why you may have not received your refund check. If you filed by paper rather than electronically, it takes a lot longer for that to get processed. And in addition to that, if you filed by paper, the chances of an error on your part or their part increases quite a bit. So that's why I always recommend filing online if you can. A common one is if you provided the wrong social security number, your refund could be delayed until that gets sorted out. So always make sure your personal information, such as the social security number, is right, because that could delay it a substantial amount of time. If you filed your return at the wrong address, that will also delay your refund, because that's going to be matched up with other information. So you want to make sure your address is always accurate. If you filed an extension and are expecting a refund, your refund usually will take longer as well, because often with those extensions, there's going to be a substantial refund, an amount of tax returns coming in at the same time. So there's a substantial refund payments going out right around the same time. So that has a big impact, and it will, delay your refund coming to you. Large refunds sometimes take longer too, so if you're expecting a very big refund, that coming to you may take a little bit longer than just an average refund that you may have gotten in the past. If you can't check online because of some of these reasons I've talked about, just make a phone call too. I always recommend that. So it's not that difficult. And you always have a better chance of getting your refund quicker if you file online. That's just been my experience, just because it eliminates the chances of errors and it gets processed quite a bit quicker. I want to take you guys real quick to the site so you can see what I'm talking about with the online estimator. HarborFinancialOnline.com is a free estimator calculator. You just click on these links and you can do a quick calculation of your taxes to see what your refund might be. On YouTube, we have a lot more videos that you can check out, informational videos on how to prepare your taxes, the different credits out there, different deductions. We're always updating it. We have well over 100 videos that are all free of charge, so I recommend that. The links here on the site too, if the child tax credit, if that's something that may impact you, we do focus on that quite a bit, so we have a lot of information on that credit. And if you have a small business, how to gather your information, get those credits and deductions that are out there. So let me go back to the video. The most important things that I want you guys to remember with your tax refund is that it only is for the current year. You can't go back to other years, so don't be surprised if you try to check that status and you can't go back to other years. So I appreciate you watching the videos. Recommend you check out some of the other videos, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.